Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 98 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we've got some more work to do on the interior of the door, although we're just doing the interior bit, not anything else. We've got the two gears to fit, one on there and one on there, where they mesh together, like so. We are fitting them in place with two screws, one for each, obviously. Different types of screws for each though, so don't get them the wrong way around. The big washery one goes on the lower one, the one with the big post coming out of it, and the other one, I tidied these up from last time, the other one goes on the other one. So that one goes in there like so, and that one goes on that top one to hold that together. That's where obviously the wing, I keep calling it wing mirror, the door window handle will go on there, which will gear with that, which will then enable this to go up and down. I'm going to loosen that off a bit. That's too tight because otherwise the windows won't work. So just a quarter turn on each of those. That'll do it. There we go. So that's that. The window is going to attach onto that like that next time, but we've got the interior furniture to put on there. The last thing in this pack is two more of these little protective foam pieces, which I just need to remove the backing from. I need to put my lenses on and get closer than that to do these, but they are just going to attach, say, basically on these posts there and there to give the window something to slide against. So I'll get those done, and then that will be this issue completed. So I won't bother showing you that because you know what they look like. That's that, and that's the end of this month's delivery. I was a bit lax in getting this month's delivery done, so next month's is actually here. So I will be continuing straight on with that. So the next video in this series should be appearing in a couple of days. So I'll see you very soon for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.